Melanie here from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie, and today we're going to redo this little cabinet. We are going to be using a Klingon S50, Klingon R14, and DIY's Cowgirl Coral. This little 8-ounce guy will be enough to cover this whole thing. Cowgirl Coral is a great coral color, and this clay-based paint is highly pigmented. To get full coverage on this piece, it took me 1.5 coats. The Klingon S50 will give you a super smooth finish. The R14 is perfect for getting in tight spots. DIY paint will stick to almost anything, so covering up this leather is really easy. Okay, so now we're going to start distressing. So we are going to use a washcloth. I'm going to wet it with water, and we're going to wet distress this piece quite a bit. DIY clear wax is just like butter, goes on smooth and dries really fast. All of these products are available at windmillvintagedesigns.com. DIY's dark wax is the perfect brown to add some highlights to this piece. After applying your clear wax, then you can go ahead and put your dark. I choose to put some on and rub some off to make sure that I get the look that I want. I use a small chip brush to get into the little crevices. I use a lint-free towel to buff my piece. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Melanie from Vintage Makeovers with Melanie. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you soon.